Growing your own food is special. It connects you to the earth, to the seasons, and to the cycle of life. There's something profoundly rewarding about nurturing a plant from a tiny seedling to a mature, fruit-bearing tree. Pistachios offer delicious, healthy nuts. They are packed with nutrients, antioxidants, and healthy fats, making them a perfect snack for any time of the day. Imagine cracking open a pistachio you grew yourself. The sense of accomplishment and pride is unparalleled. Each nut is a testament to your hard work and dedication. This is a deep satisfaction, a true gift from your garden. It's not just about the food, it's about the journey, the process, and the joy of seeing the fruits of your labor. Watching a small tree take root, seeing it grow stronger each year, is a magical experience. It's a reminder of the resilience and beauty of nature. Learning its needs, its seasons, and how to care for it properly is a journey of discovery. Each season brings new challenges and rewards. This connection feeds the soul as much as the nuts feed the body. The tranquility of the garden, the satisfaction of a job well done, and the joy of harvesting your own food are unparalleled. Sharing your harvest is a delight with family, friends, and neighbors. It brings people together, fostering a sense of community and shared purpose. Homegrown pistachios are a treasure. They are fresher, more flavorful, and more nutritious than store-bought ones. They taste better, fresher, purer. The effort you put into growing them makes every bite more satisfying. This simple act of growing food brings so much richness to life. It teaches patience, responsibility, and the value of hard work. It is a legacy of care, a story told in every handful. Each nut carries the history of your efforts and the love you put into your garden. This guide is here to help you. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, you'll find valuable tips and advice to make your pistachio growing journey successful. We will walk step by step through the journey of pistachio growing. From selecting the right variety to planting, nurturing, and harvesting, we've got you covered. It is for beginners, for dreamers, and for anyone who wants to experience the joy of growing their own food. Patience will be your good friend. Growing pistachios takes time, but the rewards are well worth the wait. These trees teach us slow rewards. They remind us that good things come to those who wait, and that the journey is just as important as the destination. Let us begin this green adventure. Together we will cultivate not just a garden, but a source of joy, health, and community. Pistachio trees have a secret. They are dioecious, meaning trees are male or female. This is crucial for a successful pistachio harvest. You will need both kinds of trees. Female trees bear the nuts we love, but they need male trees for pollination. Without male trees, no nuts. The male trees produce the needed pollen. The wind carries pollen from male to female. This is called wind pollination. Usually, one male tree can pollinate several female trees. Plant the male tree upwind for better pollination. This careful planning ensures a future bounty of nuts. Understanding this is the first step to a successful pistachio harvest. It is a partnership in nature, a beautiful dance of creation. Nature has its own clever ways. Many kinds of pistachio trees exist, each with unique characteristics and benefits. When selecting a variety, it's essential to consider what you want from your pistachio trees. Each one has its own special traits, such as growth habits, nut size, and flavor. Some varieties are more disease-resistant, while others may produce higher yields. Some are better suited for home gardens due to their manageable size and ease of care. These varieties can thrive in smaller spaces and still produce a good amount of nuts. Your local climate is very important when choosing a pistachio variety. Different varieties have different climate requirements, so understanding your local conditions is crucial. Pistachios need long, hot summers to develop their nuts properly. The heat helps the nuts mature and enhances their flavor. They also need some winter chill to break dormancy and ensure a good crop the following year. Without this chill period, the trees may not produce as well. Research varieties that thrive locally by consulting gardening books, online resources, and local experts. This will help you make an informed decision. This choice sets the stage for success, as starting with the right variety can lead to a more bountiful and healthy harvest. Kerman is a very popular female variety known for its high-quality nuts. It is widely grown due to its excellent production and nut characteristics. It produces large, lovely nuts that are highly prized for their size and taste. The nuts are not only delicious, but also visually appealing. The shells split open nicely, making them easy to process and enjoy. The flavor is excellent, making Kerman a favorite among growers and consumers alike. Kerman is known for good quality and consistent production, making it a reliable choice for both commercial and home growers. It is a reliable producer when all its needs are met, providing a plentiful harvest year after year. For Kerman females, you need a male pollinator to ensure good nut set. This is where the Peters variety comes in. Peters is a common male pollinator that pairs well with Kerman. It is specifically chosen for its compatibility and timing. It is often paired with Kerman because their flowering times match perfectly, ensuring effective pollination. The male pollen must be ready when female flowers are receptive. This timing is crucial for a successful nut set and a good harvest. Peters does this job very well, providing ample pollen at the right time to fertilize the Kerman flowers. Talk to experts at local nurseries to get personalized advice. They can provide insights based on your specific location and needs. They can suggest other varieties too, which might be better suited to your particular climate or soil conditions. Starting with healthy trees is key to a successful pistachio orchard. Healthy saplings will establish more quickly and grow more vigorously, leading to a more productive and rewarding experience. Pistachio trees need good soil. The foundation of a healthy pistachio tree starts with the right soil conditions. Without the proper soil, these trees will struggle to thrive and produce the delicious nuts we all love. They prefer deep, sandy loam soil that drains well. Pistachios are desert natives accustomed to arid environments. This type of soil mimics their natural habitat, providing the right balance of nutrients and drainage. Soggy soil is their enemy. Excess water can suffocate the roots, leading to a host of problems. Good drainage prevents root problems. Ensuring that water flows freely through the soil helps maintain the health of the tree. These trees do not like wet feet. Constantly wet roots can lead to diseases and poor growth. If soil stays too wet, roots can rot. Root rot is a serious condition that can ultimately kill the tree if not addressed. This will make the tree sick. Symptoms of poor soil conditions include yellowing leaves, stunted growth, and reduced nut production. Ensure your chosen spot drains well. Test the drainage by digging a hole and filling it with water. If the water drains within a few hours, the spot is suitable. Avoid areas where water puddles. Standing water is a clear sign of poor drainage and unsuitable soil conditions for pistachios. The soil pH is another factor. The acidity or alkalinity of the soil can significantly impact the tree's ability to absorb nutrients. Pistachios prefer neutral to alkaline soil. This means the soil should not be too acidic. A pH range of 7 to 7.8 is ideal. This range ensures that the essential nutrients are available to the tree. You can test your soil pH with a simple home test kit. These kits are affordable and easy to use, providing quick results. Knowing your soil helps you improve it. By understanding the current state of your soil, you can make the necessary amendments to create the perfect environment for your pistachio trees. Before you plant your young trees, prepare the soil with care. Proper preparation sets the stage for healthy growth and abundant harvests. Amend it with well-rotted compost. Compost adds essential organic matter, improving soil structure and fertility. This adds organic matter and helps with water drainage. Organic matter improves soil aeration and water retention, creating a balanced environment. Dig this in deeply where the tree roots will spread. Deep incorporation of compost ensures that the roots have access to nutrients as they grow. Good preparation makes a big difference. A well-prepared bed provides a strong foundation for your trees. It welcomes your trees to their new home. With the right soil conditions, your pistachio trees will thrive and reward you with bountiful harvests for years to come. The best time to plant pistachios is in late winter or early spring. This is when trees are dormant. Planting during dormancy reduces stress on young trees. They can settle in before the summer heat. Pistachios need a spot with full sun. This means at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. More sun is even better. Sunlight helps with fruit development. Choose the sunniest place you have. These trees need room to grow. Space them about 20 to 30 feet apart. Good spacing means good airflow. When you are ready to plant, dig a hole wider than the tree's root ball. Gently place the tree in the hole. Ensure the graft union is above soil. Fill the hole with prepared soil. Water deeply after planting. Young pistachio trees need water, especially during their first few years. Water them regularly and deeply. This encourages roots to grow down. Deep roots help trees find water. Allow the soil to dry out some between watering sessions. Mature pistachio trees are tougher. They are quite drought tolerant once their root systems are established. Consistent water is helpful during nut development. Adequate water helps nuts fill out. Fertilizing can help your trees, but do it with a gentle hand. The best time is in early spring. Use a balanced fertilizer or good quality compost. Spread it around the tree's drip line. Be careful not to over-fertilize. Too much nitrogen can reduce nut production. It can also make trees more prone to pests or diseases. It is better to fertilize lightly. Observe your trees for their needs. They will often tell you what they want. Pruning is an important task for your young pistachio trees. It helps to shape their structure. A good structure means a strong tree. Pruning might seem a bit scary, but it is a helpful practice. The best time for pruning is late winter. Remove any dead or damaged wood. Also any branches that cross or rub against each other. Aim to create an open tree shape. This allows sunlight to reach all parts of the tree canopy. Good airflow helps prevent diseases. Pruning also makes harvest easier, but do not prune too heavily. A light, careful pruning is best. Focus on maintaining tree health. Growing pistachios teaches us patience. These trees take their own sweet time to mature. Be prepared for a period of waiting. This is a long-term commitment. You might see your first nuts after about 5 to 7 years. Sometimes it can take longer. The first few crops may be small. Do not be discouraged by this. Good, consistent crops usually come later. Full production is reached even later. This is why patience is vital. Pistachios are an investment of time. But here is the wonderful news. Pistachio trees can live very long, and they can produce nuts for decades. You are planting for the future, a gift for yourself and future generations. Harvest time is truly exciting. This usually happens in late summer or early autumn. The exact time depends on your local climate and pistachio variety. Watch your trees closely for signs. Pistachio nuts grow in clusters. Each nut is inside a fleshy hull. As the nuts ripen, the outer hull will begin to split. This splitting is a key sign that the nuts are ready for harvest. To harvest, shake branches gently. The ripe nuts should fall easily. Spread large tarps underneath the canopy. This makes collection easier. Once nuts are gathered, remove the outer hull. This should be done quickly to prevent staining or mold growth. The hulls usually slip off easily if the nuts are fully ripe. After hulling, nuts need to dry. Spread them in a warm, dry, sunny place.